Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and this time we're taking our drone to the skies to showcase 50 Wommin Road at Chinderah. This property is well located, just 800 metres to Kingscliff Beach, 600 metres to Coogin Leagues Club and Bowls Club, and 430 metres from the river, as you can see top of screen. And there's the property there as circled, 50 Wommin Road at Chinderah. The property itself is a high-set 3-bedroom house with timber floors, good sized backyard, and it's set on a level 630 square metre property. It's got fences all round. Here's the property in centre of screen, and facing north, the backyard is in full sun all of the day. Going down to street level, this is how it presents from the street. The front of the property, there's a double garage. It's also got drive-through access to the backyard. It's got a full-length front veranda. The front veranda rails have been replaced with stainless steel. Then stepping inside the property, you can see the property's had some work done on it. It's got polished timber floors in the lounge dining room. Kitchen has been updated, although some years ago. Fully functional with lots of drawers and cupboards. Then going outside through the dining room, you've got a rear covered back patio. Backyard is a good size, as I said earlier, it's 630 square metres of land. Then from here we'll go back inside and we'll have a look at the bedrooms. Main bedroom is good size, it's got an air conditioner on the wall, also built-in robes with mirrored sliding doors. And the second and third bedroom also have built-ins with shelves and hanging. Also on this level, as well as the main bathroom, it's a combined bathroom with a shower, vanity and toilet in one. And great if you have young kids, the shower base is a bath. Then going downstairs, here's the double garage and another view of it here, showing the drive-through access to the backyard. Plenty of room downstairs here as well. Off to that one side there's a laundry and second shower and toilet. And at the end of the garage, there's also an area which could be used for storage or a possible rumpus room. That ends our video presentation. For more details on viewing this property, then please call selling salesperson Julian Cleek 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website for more information at salesandrentals.com.au.